Go, son.
Come on in, brother.
Who's winning this battle?
Get ready to come over the side with him, Jack, if you have to.
I got it.
Right there. No, hang on to your rod, Jack. Hang on to your rod.
I got it.
Tarpon fishing starts probably around late May. June being the first fairly good month we have. July, August, September, I would definitely say is the peak time to catch them. We fish all the way from, I'd say, Sapelo Island all the way down to Cumberland. This area probably hosts one of the largest concentrations of oversummering tarpon, I'd say probably on the East Coast here. About that.
All right.
I mean, that's a good sized pogie right there. What we're gonna do is fish this bait alive. And you go over here to the hook and I'll show you what my intentions are. And that is come in through here and hook him right through the foreground. And that right there, if that right there goes down and slaps a tarpon right across the lips, he's gonna eat him.
Oh, there he is.
There he is right there. Come on, Jack. Reel down and set the hook on him. Is he there? No, it's a black tip. Yeah.
You need to get this.
That's a pretty fish right there.
You need to get this in?
No, I think we'll be all right. Bring it over this way a little bit here, Jack.
All right.
Oh, that's all right. He just bit through it.
Sure did.
Just as good, though. You know, when we're seeing black tips like we are right now, or like we just caught, the black tips and the tarpons will catch a lot of times in the same area, as well as the bonnet head. So, you know, anytime we're in an area and we're seeing the fish coming up the chum slick, especially like the black tips, we're in a pretty good zone because they use the same travel zone. Here we go. Go, son.
Come on in, brother. I love it.
Outstanding. Ellis, can you clear that chum in that bucket from the side, please?
Over the side?
Yeah, well, no. Just set it. We'll put a little bit in for keep things interested. No, he's got a little bit left in him yet.
Yeah, he was sort of near through you, Lee.
I mean, it's not a big fish, but he's a pretty one. He's a good one.
Hold his head up. Come on, Rebo.
We'll get him.
Hold him hooked.
He's right under us.
Well, come on around like you need to, Lee.
Come on.
All right, bring me the rod tip right there.
Oh, it's a pretty one.
Yeah.
Come on around, Lee.
Got it.
I got a release on the fish just then, but
I got that.
going around the bow. Get down low at the tip because the bow eye is going to get you there, Lee.
Come around.
The bow eye, Lee. Lee. There we go.
Yeah. He's getting tired now.
Come on. Right here, Lee. Bring it to me. All right, down low. Watch that bow eye again, okay? Because it's about 4 or 5 inches above the water line.
I'm gonna keep him on this side if I can.
All right.
Make it swim a big circle.
Yeah, what we're going to do is try to get him on fish.
Sharp.
Go, boy.
Oh, man. I hope I got that.
Is your heart beating, Lee?
Yeah, a little bit. I think I'm awake now.
Lee, you're doing a good job, buddy.
Just want him up. He's right on us.
All right, Lee, let me see if I can get that. Well, he's doing the dirty again.
Yeah.
We ain't got nowhere to go, Lee, so just take your time.
Yeah.
He's under.
Come on, Lebo. Hold his head up.
Hold him, hook, hold him. All right, Lee, let me see if I can get
He
that.
grab
leader
that and
again.
ground, Lee.
Come on over here, Bob.
Come here, you rascal. Oh, that was all right there.
Yeah.
Did you get that, Jack?
Yeah, you almost took the cameraman out.
He's tight. He's close.
Oh, you think so?
I got his head turned around.
All right, come here, son. Yeah, he's not gonna let us do it.
Yeah, look, he's close. Listen to Lee. He didn't know.
He was pretty close.
Yeah. One thing about tarpon, they're not big about giving up.
No.
There we go.
All right.
Good job,
Outstandingly.
Thanks.
Way to go, buddy.
Great.
There you go, man.
Thanks. Good fish.
Outstanding.
Good fish.
Well,
Lebo!
how do y'all
Out of
feel
the way,
about
baby.
trying to do that all over again?
Oh,
There
why
we go.
not?
Let's do it.
Give me
I'm all
about 10
for it.
minutes.
All right. Good deal. That
All
fish
right,
is
Lebo.
probably what?
Appreciate it. That was fun.
Good one, my friend.
That's probably about a, I'd say 45 to 50 pound fish, something like that. Get him, Ellis. Lock it down, lock it down. Cross his eyes.
Whoa!
Hit him again, Ellis. He can take it. Hit him again, Ellis. That's it, that's it. You got him now.
Another bonnethead. That's a good one there.
Yeah, he's definitely bigger than the
That's a
bean.
good bonnethead.
All right, let's see if I can get to that leader there. Come on here, fish. Mm-hmm. He didn't want none of that, did he? Hit him. Oh, my. Hit him again. Hit him again. Hold him, Lee. We got another good fish on right here. Way to go. Bring him over this way, Ellis. Uh-oh, look for that one right there to jump, boys.
That's a big one there. Look at that.
Are you getting line on him now? Oh my gosh, don't. Lock it down, Radford. Lord, Ellis.
I know, that's a big boy. I tell you, I felt him when. Wait a minute, I'm tired of that. Down. Tell you.
Black tip.
Ellis, you want to hold this one right here on the top, and I'll try to get that black tip up. Maybe we can get, you can hold your fish, and I can get that black tip.
Good fish, Lee.
Yeah, hold it down.
Yeah. You get my can.
Oh,
You get.
pair of them.
Here we go, boys. Now, you
Good.
can believe that rascal right there will bite the snot out of you. Dig, dig, dig! Hooked up! All right, Jack! Pretty work, Jack! All right, Lee, drop that anchor right there.
Get this line in?
Yeah, come on, bring it up.
You got this line in?
Yes, 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 yes. Lee, Jack, right by your leg. Did you see him come up right by the boat and bull right there?
Yeah.
We free, Lee? All right, come around from underneath you. Good fish.
I ain't got nothing on him yet.
Oh, look at him. You ain't gonna get him here for a while. Look at him dance.
Getting line, Jack?
No! He's still taking it.
He's about dumped it, y'all.
You what?
He's about dumped the whole line, the whole spool of reel.
Yes, he has.
We ain't got 20 yards left on it, or 30 yards and we turn. Yes, sir. Hold him, Hook. But I mean, we've had a full day of catching, but it ain't all been tarpon. But this right here is the 4th shot we've had today on tarpon. Caught one, jumped 2 off, and got this one still hooked up. We ain't caught him yet, but you know, we've been 15 or 18 minutes into the fight already, and it's looking good. So hopefully we'll get this one right here. This is our go-home fish. That's all right. Let's let him roll out there a little bit, see if we can get him up on top. He fell off in about 30 foot of water. Hooked him in about, I'd say about 8 feet of water. And he's camped out.
Who's winning this battle?
I think you got him tired now, Jack.
Yeah, right.
Jack ain't saying anything. I think you got it tired now, Jack. He goes, yeah, right.
Ripping line right now as we speak. Is that about the same?
That's all right. He's paying for every inch he's getting.
There's a bigger.
He's on top. He's on top. He's on top right now. All right, Jack, let's get him back up here. There he is. Oh, it's a big fish. There he is.
All right. Did you
Good
get that
man there,
rebound?
Jack. Pretty work. He's coming up out there right now. Right there he is.
Here he comes.
Now, where do you reckon he is heading to in such a fast pace?
Oh, look at him.
A little better than 45 minutes into it, Jack.
It's only a 30-minute TV show.
That's right. Let's go get him, Jack, while he's up on top.
There he is.
Oh,
You get it, Lee?
well, he had no trouble getting that line off that reel, did he?
None at all. He took a bunch, too.
Well, this is what you came for.
Jack, you gotta be getting tired.
You're gaining on him, Jack.
It's getting ugly. An hour and 8 minutes into it. And old Jack's kind of getting that tarpon face on him. There's the wire again.
Look at him.
Well, that's that current too, y'all. I mean, all that pressure on that line and that current going by it too. All right, back up a little bit, Jack. Back up a little bit. Back up. Give me that rod tip a little bit more. All right, there's your caught fish right there. Now get ready to come over the side with him, Jack, if you have to.
I got him.
All right, there he is. No, hang on to your rod, Jack. Hang on to your
I
rod.
got it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Get him, Lee. I got it. Get some more. Get some more. I ain't got nothing.
All right, get that rod on this side of me right here, Jack.
I ain't got nothing to space for.
Look at that leader. He has about got it chafed in half.
Look how big he is. He's huge.
He's a big boy.
Look at him. All right.
Ah,
Yeah. Let me get a picture. You get it, Mark?
I think so. There's just a lot of fish here, boys. Any way you look at it, there's a lot of fish there. Come on, lean over right here, Jack. Ah!
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Woo!
Radford, that's what it's all about, buddy.
All right.
Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Good.
There he is. All right, let's go, Ellis. Put it back in gear, straight ahead. Straight ahead.
All right. You just said in gear, not up. Get away, Jack. Great job, man.